You can
Okay.
see in the screen, you can see that this is the way how you can install the Node MCU package or Node MCU board into the Arduino IDE. Okay. So first you have to go to the preferences and the additional board manager URL. You have to put this. Then after that, choose the latest package of ESP8266 by ESP8266 community. How you can do that? You have to go to the tool, then board, and the board manager. Just now we have gone through the board manager. So here, after putting this, you make it okay, and then you have to go to the board manager. Inside the board manager, you have to write ESP8266, and then you can install those package. Okay. Here.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And after doing that, you just select ESP82 Node MCU 1.0 ESPE. I think the module name is there. The specific name is there that you have to choose for that, because that is compatible with this particular IDE and these type of programs. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'm talking about the gateway node. Now, what is the significance of the gateway node? The significance, or you can say the usage of the gateway node, is these sensor data I have to send to the gateway node, and from the gateway node, this data will send to the cloud. Okay. And why we are doing that? Because through the cloud only, or through the internet only, we can do our requirement. What is our requirement? Can I monitor the object remotely, or can I control the object remotely? Or can I control the thing remotely, or can I monitor the thing remotely? So is it possible to do it remotely? So it is possible if we are using the internet. So using the internet, what is the meaning of internet? So the meaning of internet is what we are using the 5-layer protocol. Can you define this as an internet, or can you say that it is an interconnected devices which can send and receive the data in the remote location in one portion of the globe to another portion of the globe, which you can define as an internet. The thing is that, so you cannot define the internet in all these ways, right? The thing is that it is a combination of all these things. And here you have the concept of the cloud, and this cloud is nothing but some sort of computing device or computing resource which will be available to you whenever you want. So there are many cloud service providers that will make sure that all those will be available to you. All those computing resources will be available to you, and you can use those resources. Now, what is the significance, or what is the usage of all those resources? So the thing is that we try to send all those data, the sensor data, to the cloud, and from the cloud actually we can see that, because we are not access the device directly. We can access the device through the cloud. Okay. And here this gateway plays the importance role, because gateway is actually connected to the internet. Your sensor node is not connected to the internet, because this sensor node is attached with any object. And you can see that in this case, the fire case, your room is the object, right? Or the thing that is connected to the internet. And in the room, if there is a fire or not, that you can detect. Now the thing is that the node MCU will give you the facility to connect to the internet. How? Let's see the architecture of the node MCU again, and then you can find it out why. So if you can see this particular a microcontroller, which is ESP8266, here it is also enabled with 802.11 protocol. So this 802.11 protocol is for wireless LAN. and it will give you the connectivity with the wireless local area network. It will support 802.11b, G or N. There are different versions of 802.11 protocol. What is this 802.11 protocol is? It is for the wireless connectivity to the local area network, and your local area network should be connected with the internet, and it is working in ISM 802.4 gigahertz frequency. So you can see that this particular board can act as a gateway node. How? Because this particular board, we can give a specific IP address. We can give the IP address to this particular board, and if the board itself is connected to the internet, it means that it is a gateway node. So it will act as a normal node also if you want to make, or if you want to make it to work as a gateway node, then also it will be applicable. But in the Arduino board, as yesterday we have seen, in the Arduino board, we doesn't have any of these facilities. If you want to communicate it locally also, so you have to connect Bluetooth module here in the Arduino board, or you have to connect the RF module into the Arduino board, or you have to put the Wi-Fi module into the Arduino board. But here there is an inbuilt Wi-Fi module is there. That's why I used to choose the Node MCU board over the Arduino board, because of the connectivity facility. Getting it? So because this particular board is also having the Wi-Fi facility, as you can see in the board letter, it is written Wi-Fi, right? So with the help of this 802.11, it will make the connection with the wireless LAN, and through that you can connect with the internet. So this is the concept of this gateway node.